Everyone thinks the best-selling Husqvarna 128LD accessories are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, VBSY T25 Trimmer Heads. We have the VBSY 2-pack T25 trimmer head. Priced at $19.98, it immediately caught my attention for its wide compatibility with various Husqvarna models. If you want a reliable replacement that fits multiple trimmers, this is worth a serious look. This trimmer head is designed to replace several part numbers, which means you're likely to find it compatible with your model. It's made from impact-resistant materials, ensuring it can withstand tough conditions while delivering solid performance. With the ability to hold different line gauges, you can customize it based on your cutting needs. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having a durable and compatible trimmer head means less downtime and more time tackling that overgrown yard. Now, some people complained about the difficulty in installation, saying it wasn't as straightforward as they expected. Here's the thing though, if you've done a bit of DIY work, you'll find it's manageable. But if you're not handy, it might be a little frustrating for you. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable replacement for your Husqvarna trimmer. Skip this one if you prefer a completely hassle-free installation experience. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who really want to ensure their trimmer runs smoothly.
Product number 2, Huzzle 28LD Carburetor Tune-Up Kit. Also priced at $19.98. I was intrigued by how comprehensive this kit is for maintaining your trimmer. If you want to restore your trimmer's peak performance, this is worth a serious look. This kit includes everything you need for a complete tune-up: a carburetor, air filter, fuel lines, spark plug, and more. The upgraded internal jetting means better fuel-air mixing, which leads to smoother idling and easier starts. Here's why this matters for you specifically. A well-tuned trimmer will not only run better, but also last longer, saving you money in the long run. Now, some users mentioned that the instructions were a bit unclear. Here's the thing though, once you familiarize yourself with the parts, the installation isn't too tough. It's a minor hurdle for the significant benefits you get. This kit is perfect for you if you're looking to keep your trimmer in top shape without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you want a ready-to-go trimmer without any maintenance. Now, if the complexity of the previous kit bothered you, this next product is designed for ease of use. Product number 3, Husqvarna T25 Top Advance Head. The third product is the Husqvarna 966674401 T25 Top Advance String Trimmer Head, available for $29.98. I was drawn to its pre-wound feature that simplifies the reloading process. If you want efficiency while trimming, this is worth a serious look. This head comes pre-wound with 0.095-inch line, which means you can get back to work quickly without the hassle of winding the line yourself. The split spool design minimizes tangling, which is a common headache for trimmer users. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Reducing tangles means you spend less time troubleshooting and more time trimming. Now, some users found that it didn't fit all models as advertised. Here's the thing though, if you double-check the compatibility with your specific model, you can avoid that issue, so just make sure to verify before purchasing. This one is perfect for you if you value convenience and efficiency in your trimming tasks. Skip this one if you want a traditional manual trimmer head. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one could really help with those engine performance issues.
Product number 4, Paltol Air Filter Tune-Up Kit. The Paltol 128LD Air Filter Tune-Up Kit, priced at $11.99. What caught my attention was its focus on engine protection. If you want to keep your engine running smoothly, this is worth a serious look. This kit is designed to replace multiple filters and includes a fuel line primer bulb and spark plug. The high breathable fabric material of the air filter ensures minimal airflow obstruction, which is crucial for your trimmer's performance. Here's why this matters for you specifically. A clean air filter means your engine will run more efficiently and last longer, saving you on repairs. Now, some reviews mentioned that the fit wasn't always perfect. Here's the thing though, if you take the time to check your model against the specifications, you should be fine. It's a small inconvenience for the significant benefits it offers. This kit is perfect for you if you want an affordable way to maintain your trimmer's engine health. Skip this one if you prefer to pay someone else for maintenance. Now, if you're looking for a more comprehensive replacement part, the last product might catch your eye.
Product number 5, Kizoot Carburetor.
Last but not least is the Kizoot 128 CD carburetor, priced at $17.99. I found it interesting because it promises a perfect fit for several Husqvarna models. If you want to ensure your trimmer runs at its best, this is worth a serious look. This carburetor replaces several OEM cart numbers and is designed to improve the performance of your trimmer. It's compatible with a wide range of models, which means it could be the solution if you're having trouble with your current carburetor. Here's why this matters for you specifically. A well-functioning carburetor translates to better fuel efficiency and smoother operation. Now, some users reported that it was tricky to install. Here's the thing though, if you follow the installation guides and watch a few tutorials, you should manage just fine. It's not a deal breaker by any means. This is perfect for you if you're looking to replace a faulty carburetor without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you want a plug-and-play part without any setup.
We've explored 5 solid accessories for your Husqvarna 128LD gas string trimmer. From the versatile VBSYBO T25 heads to the comprehensive HUZTL tune-up kit, each product offers unique benefits tailored to your needs. Remember to choose based on what fits your maintenance style and your trimmer's requirements.